Well, good morning, everybody.
Q216-17 CSX 36 eastbound, clear St. David.
CSX car clearance detector. Milepost 6.6. Track 1.
16-17, over.
Be answering Q216-17, over.
Yeah, just wanted to make sure that you're aware that I'm only good till 0001. Over.
Okay, if you have a straight shot to Macon, can you make it over?
I believe so, as long as it doesn't drag too bad up the hill.
Hey, fingers crossed, 234 is pulling in right now, so, I wouldn't have a great one at Clifton Park, but I'll cross the fingers, toes, and eyes, over.
Alright, crossing everything on this end, too.
Alright, here we go. CSX,
30767.
Yeah, I literally guys got here about 3 minutes ago, so I got here at 11:11. Alright, who's calling now?
CSX speed dispatcher, over.
Yeah, the Q216 again. Is this train called outbound?
Yeah, we're on duty at 2245, over.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
There won't be no tying it down. We'll hopefully go for a smooth swap there at Macon, over.
Alright.
Yeah, dispatcher.
Yeah, when I was coming over the bridge to my right, I was like, ooh, clear, track 1. Wonder who that is. Well, don't know it's this guy. Well, first train out of the day. Well, in my case, night, but still a day for me.
CSX car clearance detector. Milepost 6.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 364. Detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 6.7. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 364. End of transmission.
See you guys in the next one.